Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is just head over to your desktop like I am right here and click on the little Windows icon in the top in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're here, we need to click on the settings button, which is this gear icon. And this should take us to a page like this. Here we're going to select update and security, and once we get here on the left side of our screen we'll get this tab. Here we're going to head over to the recovery, and as you can see we have the option of resetting our computer. The only thing left for us to do is just click on get started, and this should open up a page which makes us choose an option, either keeping our files and removing the apps and settings, or removing everything. Once you select one of these, it will proceed in resetting your Windows to the factory settings. Obviously I'm not going to do it, but that is how you are able to reset your Windows 10 PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.